Standing atop my empire, upon a hollowed spire, man's frenzied armies surge beneath, a roaring rumble reaches at the soles of my feet. Look on the four corners of this land, sprawling forests, sumptuous swamps, rivers turgid with my lifeblood, blue beaches of pristine white sand. But this scene has been repainted by the shortsighted strokes of men, who lay roads, who erect traffic lights and buildings squared off, slipshod facades planted in, rigid city grids, preternatural and perverse, cheating the integrity of my maiden material laws. And fervently they seek my vanity, outstrip it with their blink-long dreams of insanity. But the minds of men are a poor match for the yolk of a sunrise freshly hatched. No fleeting flash of the eye will be as tranquil as clouds in the sky. No undertaking of man as thundering as my impassive canyons. The symphonic fervor of 8 billion souls closes in on me, crumbles the earth that is me, consuming, combusting, burning, melting, transmuting me. And soon they will have me. They will have my beauty. Their pitiful imitation will be ultimate.